How to change language in Google Photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. If you try changing it from Google Photos, it is not possible. So open settings and scroll down. At the bottom, you will find System. Click on System in here. After you click on System, click on Languages and Input. After you click on Languages and Input, click on Languages, which is the first option. Then at the bottom, click on Add a Language. After you click on Add a Language, select the language you want to change to and scroll it upwards. Drag it upwards and your language will be changed. Now you can open Google Photos and your language will be changed. This is how to change language in Google Photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.